Hi everyone, so major updates for this July the 9th, 2020. Most of it is mostly just bug fixes and some changes being there, but well, I suppose the fleet logo on the revamped prefix rail has been moved to its correct position, and impulse stuff has been adjusted to the correct spots, so while the Steam store does not have the updated model for it, well, this is the T5 version, but the T6 version, the core bird of prey. So I suppose if you do fly this, the impulse trails will look correct as well as the fleet logo. The neg bar has been updated to fire from the correct point for cannons. So I don't think I actually own the neg bar, but I suppose we can have a peek at that. Whatever, okay. And for the memorial plaque, 5 names have been added. Paul Winfield, William Marshall, Percy Rodriguez, Madge Sinclair, and Ray Wilson. So let's see. Well, it's a long list, and they're in there somewhere. Yeah, okay. And I believe the thing that most people are excited about is the Platinum Discovery Era Sniper Rifle from the Cryptic Quest Anniversary Pack now being claimed on all characters. So yeah, this is account-wide unlock now, which is previous to today, the rifle was not, so there we go. Upgradable and not re-engineerable, unfortunately. These are not exactly the best modifiers, but I suppose what we're here for is the visuals, right? Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Alright, so, and finally, what I think is most important is, all missions in the journal for all factions involving queuing up and playing a TFO have been removed. So, yeah, so prior to today, part of the mission journal was, doing, a TFO, or most of the, what is it? Well, this is still here. Actually, let me, switch characters and check on something. Stand by. Just going to do a quick check of all the, well, it says all factions, though. Okay, this is still here. For raw means, at least. Okay, let me switch to one of my Federation characters. Okay, so I believe that Discovery used to have, Defensive Cyber 20 missions, so now it's gone. I don't think there should be anything here. Okay. So it seems that this removal of TFO, what is it called? This removal of TFO missions from the mission journal is mostly successful. Oh, yeah, this is another mission. Never mind. Alright, so yeah. Basically, that's it. Mostly for major updates for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell to be notified of future videos. And,
Do you have any?
I have a Patreon if you want to support me that way. Link in the description below. See you guys next time.